refraction of light at plane surfaces. Keyword refraction. The bending of light ray which enters from one optical medium to another is called refraction of light. Keyword incident ray. An incident ray is a ray of light that strikes a surface. The angle between this ray and the perpendicular or normal to the surface is the angle of incidence. The reflected ray corresponding to a given incident ray is the ray that represents the light reflected by the surface. Keyword refracted ray. A change of direction that light undergoes when it enters a medium with the different density from one through which it has been traveling. For example, when after moving through air, it passes through a prism. Keyword angle of incidence. The angle which an incident line or ray makes with a perpendicular to the surface at the point of incidence. Keyword angle of refraction. The amount of bending that a light ray experiences can be expressed in terms of angle of refraction. More accurately, by the difference between the angle of refraction and the angle of incidence. A ray of light may approach the boundary at an angle of incidence of 45 degrees and bend towards the normal. Keyword absolute refractive index. A number indicating the speed of light in a given medium as either the ratio of the speed of light in a vacuum to that in the given medium or the ratio of the speed of light in a specified medium to that in the given medium. Relative index of refraction. Symbol N. Keyword relative refractive index. The ratio of the velocity of light in a vacuum to its velocity in a specified medium is called relative refractive index. Keyword Snell's law. A law stating that the ratio of the sine of the angles of incidence and refraction of a wave are constant when it passes between two given media. Keyword critical angle. The critical angle is the angle of incidence above which the total internal reflection occurs. This is particularly common as an optical phenomenon where light waves are involved, but it occurs with many types of waves such as electromagnetic waves in general or sound waves. Keyword total internal reflection is a phenomena which occurs when a propagating wave strikes a medium boundary at an angle larger than a particular critical angle with respect to the normal to the surface. Keyword mirage. An optical illusion caused by atmospheric conditions, especially the appearance of a sheet of water in a desert or on a hot road caused by the refraction of light from the sky by heated air. Keyword shift. The distance between the parallel rays is called shift. Keyword optical fiber. It refers to the medium and the technology associated with the transmission of information as light pulses along a glass or plastic strand or fiber.